What is UNI? UNI is the governance token for UNISWAP, launched the 16th of September 2020 via a retrospective airdrop to past users who swapped or provided liquidity. UNI holders participate in protocol governance. Token holders vote on treasury use and protocol upgrades. Major changes require governance proposals and votes. UNISWAP is a decentralized exchange, a DEX. You just connect an Ethereum wallet like MetaMask to start swapping. No central intermediary and no order book. Trades happen directly on-chain. Swaps use an automated market maker, or AMM. UNISWAP uses the pricing formula X times Y equals K. Pool values stay at a 50-50 ratio as trades move the balances. Liquidity providers deposit 2 tokens into a pool. That liquidity supplies instant price quotes to traders. LPs are compensated with a 0.3% trading fee on each trade. UNISWAP was founded by Hayden Adams in 2018. He was inspired by ideas from Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. UNISWAP v3 introduced concentrated liquidity and an updated interface. One major risk for LPs is impermanent loss. It is the opportunity cost of providing 2 assets instead of holding them separately. The bigger the price change between tokens, the bigger the impermanent loss. Today, trading fees go to LPs, not UNI holders. With over $1 billion daily volume, experts speculate UNI value could change if governance acts. If governance chose to route protocol fees to UNI holders, token economics would shift. But any change requires a community vote. Outcomes are uncertain. Quick recap: UNI is governance, UNISWAP is an AMM-based DEX. Learn more and always do your own research. Subscribe for more crypto basics.